Okay, so this is the Aqua Paw, and I just bought it on Amazon because it looked like a pretty cool solution for washing your pet but controlling water. I had one that looked a heck of a lot like this, but all you could do is turn on the water. What's neat about this is when you click it, and I think when you put it on your hand it's going to be easier to click. You hear that? It's like a Bic pen. It turns the water flow on and off, so you can control the water flow a heck of a lot better. This is everything that's in the box. There's the silicone unit itself, a nice long extension hose that has a quick connect adapter on the back. This is like a standard garden type quick connector, and two different sizes of tool adapters or garden quick connect adapters. One really nice touch is they've included a directional valve that you can add to your shower, as well as Teflon tape. So for a complete installation. I probably won't be using this because I already have a quick connect sort of system on my shower for other accessories, but it's really thoughtful that they included this. All right, so I have it hooked up. In this case, as I said, I have a quick connect adapter that's already on my hose. So I've used their quick connect adapter. I just screwed the whole thing together and attach it. This is my part that I already had. On the other side, it hooks onto your hand with this silicone band right here, and hopefully I don't actually have the water on because I was playing with it earlier, but let's see. Okay, so now it's on, and I click. Cool! So it flows through, and then you click again, and it turns off. On, off. Well, that's really slick. All right, let's find a dog. All right, we're gonna watch some Molly now. This is Molly. And so again, we just click it on, and yeah, you tell it's getting really deep in there. I bet she kind of likes this. For a dog who doesn't particularly like baths, I imagine this feels pretty good. Yeah, good girl, good girl. And we click it off, and it's all good. Well, this is the Aqua Paw. It's a really pretty cool tool. It feels really high quality. You should check it out.
Come. Sit down. Hey, sit. Good. Stay. Stay. Good boy. Come here. Good boy. Sit. Dexter, sit. Good job. Good boy.
Okay, so I'm gonna try out the MudBuster, which I just got, and it's filled with warm water. So we're gonna try it on Charlie. So it's filled with warm water, and I've got my towel. All right, Charlie. We're gonna check your paws. We're gonna see how this works on your paws. All right. So we're supposed to stick a paw all in here and put your paw in, Charlie. And then you're supposed to there's little bristles in there. They're gently washing your paw. He's wagging his tail, so maybe he likes it. And so let's try it off. Looks like a clean paw came out. Looks like that works pretty well, Charlie. Let's try it off. Let's check your paw. No mud. I give it a thumbs up review. Charlie, you like it? And his tail's still wagging. See you later.